It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Monday, the 27th of July. I'm Michael Groff. Thanks to everyone for sending in your photos over the last few days. We have plenty more to show you, and we will do so later this week. Unfortunately, there's not going to be a whole lot to take pictures of weather-wise across the state as the monsoon goes back on hiatus and we return to a very hot and dry weather pattern. Let's talk about it first. Yesterday, 110 degrees, the surprisingly hot afternoon high. 86 was the morning low, the normal high 105, the normal low 84. Outside now, here at 6:55 a.m., mostly sunny out there. We're already at 91 degrees at Sky Harbor. Still kind of muggy, though. Dew point at 61, relative humidity 36%. The winds are light, and the barometer is rising. Temperatures around the area this morning, 75, the cool spot at Fort McDowell, 79 in Peoria, 82, Tolleson, Buckeye, and Goodyear, 83, Thompson Peak, and Goldfield. Otherwise, mid-80s to low 90s across the metro. The upper air look, a trough to the west, a ridge to the east, and a southerly flow continues over Arizona, but not a lot of monsoon moisture to the south to be imported in here. Still, isolated thunderstorms will be possible later today. Across the nation, checking out the watch warning map, a number of fire weather watches and red flag warnings. Very high fire danger continues out here in the west. A number of heat-related issues, too. Heat advisories for the Pacific Northwest, parts of the East Coast, and here in the Southwest. How about excessive heat watches, including the Phoenix metro area? That's in effect from 10 a.m. Thursday through 8 p.m. Saturday. Here's the convective outlook for today. A couple of marginal risk zones, one from Indianapolis over toward Cleveland, another one up there in extreme northern New York, Vermont, New Hampshire, and up into Maine. Parts of Arizona in the green, thunderstorms expected, organized severe weather not anticipated, but of course any one storm can become severe. And taking a look at the tropics, this is Hurricane Douglas, still holding on to Category 1 strength as it begins to move away from the islands. Fortunately, the island chain had only minor impacts from this system as they were on the southern side, and that's kind of the good side, if you will, of a hurricane like this. And over the next few days, it will be weakening as it crosses the international date line and should fizzle out. Precipitation around here for the next 7 days. Speaking of fizzling out, not much here in the valley, and only amounts generally at or under 1/2 inch or 1/4 of an inch for the eastern mountains and southeast Arizona as the monsoon takes a break here, and we'll get into the details of that as we take a look at the models now. Here we go to the GFS, the 06Z run valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. Get a weak wave to the west, high pressure to the east, a southerly flow more or less across Arizona today, so down at the surface, mostly sunny skies here in the valley this morning. A few clouds come in by this afternoon. It will be hot. Highs 107 to 110. Isolated showers and thunderstorms possible over the eastern mountains. More scattered shower and storm activity over southeast Arizona. The question is, will any of those storms manage to get into the valley? There is a small chance, a few of the convective allowing models believe so. So we'll put a small chance of showers and storms. And again, I think if they affect anybody, it would mostly be the East Valley or the outskirts. But we'll keep that chance in there for later this afternoon and this evening. Biggest threats, of course, strong gusty winds, blowing dust, and brief heavy rain. All right, tonight, again, a slight chance of an evening shower or storm, otherwise becoming mostly clear, and lows mostly in the 80s to near 90. Tomorrow, high pressure moving right overhead, and that should pretty sufficiently cut off the monsoon moisture. Isolated thunderstorms possible over the higher terrain, the favored areas, but for the most part will be dry. High temperatures 109 to 112, pretty much the same forecast on Wednesday. Warm it up a couple more degrees as the high intensifies and is right on top of us on Thursday. Highs 111 to 114, and we'll go 112 to 115 on Friday. Again, an isolated storm in the eastern mountains, but even that doesn't look very likely. Over the weekend, the high might start to meander back toward the Four Corners region, and if that's the case, we'll see a small increase in the number of showers and storms over southeast Arizona, both Saturday and Sunday. And here in the valley, temperatures might back off a few degrees, but it'll still be hot. Highs 108 to 111 each day. Going out to next week, this is Monday the 3rd. High pressure still not in a great spot to bring in monsoon moisture. Still isolated showers and thunderstorms will be possible over the higher terrain, but we look to stay fairly dry and hot with highs close to 110. And going out 10 days to the end of the period, this is Wednesday the 5th. High pressure moves back toward the Four Corners, and that would bring in more monsoon moisture for scattered showers and thunderstorms, but I caution you, this is way out here toward fantasy land, and we'll just have to see if that verifies. Precipitation off of the European ensemble. The mean is down around 1/10 of an inch, and there are many members in the ensemble that show absolutely nothing over the next couple of weeks as our monsoon rolls on. Goodness. All right, temperatures off of the national blend of models. How about 114 on Thursday, 115 on Friday, and then trending down ever so slightly as we head into the weekend. The dry and hot conditions look to continue for the most part over the next 7 days. And then hopefully we can start to see some more monsoon moisture come in here thereafter. Okay, that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever we post a brand new video, you'll be alerted. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. I thank you so much for watching. Be safe out there, stay cool, drink plenty of water, do a rain dance, watch your kids around the pool, and have yourselves a fantastic Monday.